Williams reveals how he found the love of his life. And Pinay triathlete champ Annie De Leon shows us how love and fitness does wonders for relationships. These and more this Valentine's special on Sports Unlimited. It is Valentine's Day, so from all of us here in Sports Unlimited, happy Valentine. We hope that you are in love, that you love someone, you love yourself, and that someone loves you. I'm sure either of that is true. Well, we have a very special episode on Sports Unlimited tonight. We are going to find out the love stories of some very special athletes. We're going to start, of course, with the one and only Manny Pacquiao and his beautiful wife, Jinky. The world's #1 pound-for-pound boxer Manny Pacman Pacquiao's life is an open book. He is undeniably the most popular Filipino on the planet. Constantly under the glare of the public eye, we were there in all the most important moments of the champion's life. Ever since his breakthrough win against Mexican boxing icon Antonio Barrera, sensational wins against boxing greats Eric Morales, Juan Manuel Marquez, David Diaz, and most recently, defeating boxing's golden boy, Oscar De La Hoya. Manny is the pride of the Philippines. Every detail of his life people want to know. From his euphoric victories inside the ring to the birth of his most recent baby girl, Queen Elizabeth. Manny is very happy to inspire Filipinos. This brings him one of the greatest joys. But there is one thing, or better said, someone who inspires Manny the most. Someone he absolutely cannot live without. His beautiful wife, Jinky. Okay, so Manny and Jinky, alam ko na everybody knows you as a boxer, but people don't know you as a lover, as a husband, diba? So ngayon, syempre, Valentine's, alam ko na ikaw, Manny, mahilig ka sa topic na pag-ibig at love, diba?
Oh, syempre, itong nalalapit na Valentine's, masaya ako dahil kasama kong mahal kong asawa at yung mga anak ko. Siguro mamamasyal kami, magkakain kami kami lang dalawa.
Saan mo ba nakilala si Jinky? Paano? At ano ang unang nakabighani sa'yo about her? Kailan ba yung
I met her in department store.
Oh.
Kung saan siya nagtatrabaho.
Okay. Then, so, was it like love at first sight? Ganun ba?
Wala, parang ano lang. Wala lang kami, yung panhay-hilo lang. Alam niya na may girlfriend ako nung time na yun.
Nung time na yun, bumili pa siyang gift para sa girlfriend niya.
Oh.
Parang dumaan lang siya sa stall ko. Doon na kami nag-meet. Sinusundo niya ako every night sa trabaho. Kumakain kami sa labas. Yun. Basta halos araw-araw siya. Sinusundo niya ako.
The simple romantic Manny Pacquiao used to show his love in simple ways.
Nung naliligaw siya, binibigyan akong cards. Pero ngayon wala ng cards. Flower na lang, flowers.
You buy flowers?
Oh, flowers.
What gifts do you give Jinky? What does she like ba?
Bigay ko na lahat sa kanya.
To take you where you go. But if you ever found yourself, try to all the games you play.
Manny, alam ko, pag medyo nagtatampuhan kayo ni Jinky, hindi mo talaga matake. As in, hindi ka makapag-concentrate, diba? Kailangan, parang hindi ka complete, hindi ka makakoncentrate. Diba that's true? No?
Ganun kami mga sa guitar yan eh. Na pag may problema kami, talagang dinidibdib namin. Kaya, huwag mo bigyan ng problema.
How does Jinky show her love for you?
Sobra-sobra. Naawa nga ako dito. Mahaba. Alam mo, sobra yung pagmamahal niya sa akin. At maalaga, malalahanin. Wala akong masabi.
How does Manny show his love for you?
Basta ano kasi, kahit nasa maraming tao, hinahalikan niya ako, hinahag niya ako, hindi siya yung nahihiya na kahit na maraming tao.
Just take some time to lend an ear to this ordinary song.
It is very hard to be married to a man who is in essence also belongs to the public. Manny and Jinky have weathered many storms and up to now remain strong.
Just an ordinary song. The special girl like you, from a simple guys who's so in love with you.